Imagine a new city rising in the heart of Africa, designed to rival Dubai, Singapore, and Monaco. A futuristic metropolis where innovation, commerce, and luxury blend seamlessly. This is the bold vision behind Centenary City, a mega-project intended to reshape Abuja's skyline and redefine Nigeria's economic future. With promises of cutting-edge infrastructure, a thriving financial district, and an entertainment hub complete with a world-class golf course and luxury resorts, Centenary City is a statement of Nigeria's ambition. Launched over a decade ago, the project was met with enthusiasm, but today, much of its promise remains unrealized. Land disputes, funding delays, and shifting political priorities have slowed progress. Yet, despite its struggles, the dream persists. With renewed government commitment and investor interest, could Centenary City finally rise as Nigeria's answer to global smart cities? Join us today as we delve into the $70 billion new smart city rising in Africa. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like this video, as it's the best way to support this channel. The Centenary City project was conceived as part of Nigeria's centennial celebrations, marking 100 years since the amalgamation of the Northern and Southern Protectorates in 1914. The project aims to transform a vast expanse of land near Abuja, the nation's capital, into a thriving economic center. The vision for the city was inspired by the need to create an ultra-modern, self-sustaining urban environment that would attract both local and foreign investors, serving as an economic and cultural landmark. The Nigerian government partnered with private investors to develop the city, positioning it as an independent business hub with free trade zone status. The project was officially launched in 2014 under the administration of President Goodluck Jonathan. It was designed to be a privately driven initiative, meaning the government's role was limited to facilitating the necessary approvals and legal frameworks, while private sector investors would handle the actual development and funding. The city was planned as a mixed-use area, incorporating residential, commercial, institutional, and recreational facilities within a well-organized urban setting. Centenary City is designed to be a city within a city, integrating modern infrastructure, sustainability, and technological innovations. The architectural and urban planning elements of the project are modeled after some of the world's most successful smart cities, blending state-of-the-art infrastructure with eco-friendly solutions. Covering approximately 1,260 hectares of land, the city is intended to provide a seamless living and working experience, with carefully planned zoning for residential, business, and recreational purposes. The city's master plan includes a central business district that will serve as the economic engine, housing multinational corporations, financial institutions, and headquarters for global businesses. High-rise office buildings, shopping malls, luxury hotels, and convention centers are key elements of this business hub. The free trade zone status ensures that businesses operating within Centenary City benefit from tax incentives, reduced regulatory restrictions, and ease of trade, making it an attractive destination for investors. Beyond commerce, the city's residential areas are designed to provide world-class housing solutions, catering to various income levels. Luxury villas, high-end apartments, and affordable housing units are incorporated into the design to create a balanced community. These residential zones are complemented by modern educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and green spaces, ensuring a high quality of life for residents. Recreational and cultural facilities form another essential component of the Centenary City plan. A major highlight of the project is an 18-hole golf course, which aims to attract golf enthusiasts and international tournaments. Additionally, a polo and country club, theme parks, museums, and sports complexes are planned to create a vibrant social and leisure environment. The city is also expected to feature a dedicated entertainment district with concert venues, cinemas, and upscale restaurants, making it a prime location for tourism and lifestyle experiences. To enhance connectivity, the city's transport infrastructure is designed to include smart road networks, pedestrian-friendly streets, and an efficient public transit system. The goal is to reduce congestion and make commuting within the city seamless. Green technology, including solar-powered streetlights, smart waste management systems, and energy-efficient buildings, is expected to make Centenary City an environmentally sustainable urban space. Centenary City is envisioned as a major economic catalyst for Nigeria, with the potential to boost foreign direct investment, create employment opportunities, and enhance the country's global competitiveness. The free trade zone status provides an advantage in attracting multinational corporations that seek to operate within a business-friendly environment free from excessive bureaucratic constraints. The project's economic impact extends beyond business investments. It is estimated that Centenary City will create over 150,000 direct jobs during its construction phase and significantly more employment opportunities upon completion. The demand for local building materials, engineering services, and labor during construction is expected to stimulate Nigeria's manufacturing and construction industries. Furthermore, Centenary City will enhance Nigeria's standing as a global business destination. By providing a high-end commercial hub with world-class infrastructure, it could help reposition Abuja as a leading African city for business and innovation. Despite its grand vision and potential benefits, the Centenary City project has faced several challenges that have delayed its progress. One of the primary issues has been land acquisition and disputes over compensation. Local communities and indigenous groups in Abuja have raised concerns about displacement and inadequate compensation for lands allocated to the project. This has resulted in legal battles and resistance from some affected parties. Another significant challenge has been bureaucratic and regulatory hurdles. Although the project was structured as a private sector initiative, government approvals and regulatory processes have caused delays in implementation. Political changes have also impacted the continuity of the project, with shifts in government priorities affecting investment inflows and policy support. Perhaps the biggest challenge of building Centenary City is the escalating cost of construction. The project was initially estimated to cost $18 billion, making it one of the most expensive urban developments in Africa. However, considering both inflation and currency depreciation, the current estimated cost of the Centenary City project could be substantially higher than the original estimate, potentially exceeding $70 billion. Securing and managing such a colossal budget would be a major challenge. Unlike government-funded projects, Centenary City is a privately driven initiative, relying on foreign and local investors to finance construction. Economic instability, fluctuating exchange rates, and political transitions have made it difficult to attract consistent funding. Additionally, infrastructure costs, including roads, power supply, and smart city technologies, have escalated over time, further delaying progress. Without steady financial backing and investor confidence, the dream of Centenary City risks becoming an unfinished project, highlighting the difficulties of executing large-scale urban developments in emerging economies like Nigeria. Despite the setbacks, the Nigerian government and project stakeholders remain committed to seeing Centenary City become a reality. After initial delays due to administrative and land acquisition challenges, construction activities resumed. Infrastructure milestones achieved so far include the 100% completion of road excavation, 80% completion of sewage and water drainage pipelines and manholes, 80% construction of water hydrants, and 90% of rock blasting and relocation to various plots for structural integration. Despite these advancements, the project continues to face challenges, including calls for increased investment to fully realize its vision. In February 2025, Nigeria's Ministry of Housing and Urban Development emphasized the importance of public-private partnerships, underscoring the need for more investors to participate in the Centenary City initiative. One potential solution to funding challenges is a phased development approach. Instead of waiting for full funding for the entire project, smaller sections of the city can be completed in stages. This would allow investors to see tangible progress, boosting confidence and attracting additional funding for future phases. Overall, while Centenary City has experienced periods of slow progress, recent developments suggest a renewed focus on advancing construction and attracting investment to bring the project to fruition. Centenary City represents a bold vision for Nigeria's urban and economic future. While the project has faced multiple challenges, its potential benefits far outweigh its setbacks. The success of Centenary City could serve as a blueprint for future smart city projects in Africa. The city's success hinges on effective governance, investor confidence, and strategic planning. If the Nigerian government and private sector stakeholders can navigate the obstacles and ensure steady progress, Centenary City could emerge as a landmark development, showcasing Nigeria's capacity for world-class urban innovation. What do you think? Will this megaproject come to life in the future, or will it become yet another unfulfilled dream? Leave a reply in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.